Hey everyone, it's me, Davai, and I want to share with you some progress with the Gun-Vue project. So here we have the version 0.7.8. Yes, and the first thing I want to notice is that home screen integration. So we are hosted on SIA Sky, also as well as on GitHub pages that are hosted with the js.org free domain. So it's completely out of my control. It's just somewhere in the clouds, in the corporate cloud, in the decentralized cloud, and so it's working quite nice. So we have this URL that loads that same version, and it seems to work just fine. And yeah, it's one piece of decentralization, so because we have this application that may be shared across networks, it's quite light, yes, and it's really just let's build it and look at the sizes. Yeah, it's really lightweight. And what do we have here? We have an application that makes us meet each other in this space. So if another guy visits the gun-vue.js.org and yeah, he will log in somehow. I'll just load a JSON file of my key, and here we have two people meeting in this space. Yeah, it's not a new thing, it just works nicely. And what's new is the second piece of decentralization. So I use a glitch.me peer, relay peer for Gun. So this is a free tier. It has no storage. It runs my Gun-Vue relay package. So this package here, this Gun-Vue relay, is running on that server, and it works just fine. So whenever we meet, we can share messages with via the WebSockets. Yes, but recently I got that server down for some reasons. I don't know why wasn't it working, and so what I did, I've adopted the idea of volunteer DHTs. So we go to composables, the main structural element of Gun-Vue, and go to Gun and Relay. So here we have this default peer that I use, and also it's stored, the current peer is stored in local storage, and we have the idea of relays. So use relays, another part of the library that does the thing. Everything's built, and the final size is just 133,000 less than 2 megabytes, okay? With all the assets, with logos, I think 2 megabytes. It's quite lightweight. Okay, so we have these functions that are load relays and use relays, just uses it. So when I open this page, I load the relays from this link. It's in Gun-Wiki repository, and there's a list in plain markdown, and so we get that list, or get all the URLs, parse them. If they have gun/gun, we add them, and here we fetch that URLs and get the response and get the timing for it, so performance now. Then we calculate the delay, the ping here and give this object back. So it's here. It's a reactive object that we get when we say use relays. So in the component, I go to util relay. Here I have the util relay list, this list here, and this list just uses the relays, loads them on mounted. So when I first open this, and yeah, we can reload them. This reloads them and pings them back again, so we can refresh the list and get the actual the most useful one for us. So let's try it. So this Heroku app is the fastest. I click it and yeah, I got the browser refreshed very fast, but now we don't have the link. We use different relays. So here I need to go to this relay too, and yeah, we meet at this relay. So having a public list makes us access different realms of graphs, but yeah, we can travel along them and yeah, lose track of each other, then find each other back. So here I reset it, and yeah, we move again, everything is working. Yeah, the chat is on, the posts are updated a little bit. Here we have an opportunity to vote for the posts or against these posts. So yeah, test mask fast. Okay, it's nice post, but I don't think it should be here, and I think yeah, I minus it, and yeah, it disappeared. It disappeared completely because it's hidden, it's filtered out. The one thing I didn't do yet is the number, the main number, the rating. It's under the hood for now, but yeah, it's calculating all the plus, all the emojis or just reactions, true reactions, and these trash basket reactions. If you put a trash basket, you vote it down, so I can untrash it, it appears again, and it becomes quite a competition between people for voting up those posts. And yeah, it's one big board of posts for now, but remember, we have the rooms, so you can go to any room or create your own room and have any post down here. So let's just load some imagined people, yeah, and say hey, and let it be Mary. So here's the post, and yeah, I should go to the room 2. So I think that you at some point need to know, need to contact the one you're interacting with Gun-Vue with some other communication device. But yeah, I have a surprise. Yes, we have the messaging, secure and private messaging. So here I say, hey Mary, and yeah, we don't have notifications now, but yeah, if I go to users and go back, yeah, so yeah, I just get into this space. Yeah, so we meet each other again, and I say, oh, hello, Craig. Oh, hello, Craig. Hello, Craig. Yeah, so these messages are encrypted and mixed inside the day, so no one will know the timestamps of the day. So yeah, this is chat. Yeah, so inside a day we mix the messages. Yeah, it's quite reliable, I don't know, but it doesn't filter millions and hundreds of millions of messages. It's a plain list, so it may overwhelm the browser, but I think that Vue.js is quite nice at playing with even so big lists, because it can just filter them out. So for the posts, I have filtering that I'll get it here. So these posts from use posts are all the posts, but in the here I have the filtered posts. So we every time the list from use posts changes, we recreate this list according to the rating of the post, and even when the post changes. And it can be quite slow when we have thousands of posts, but a list of thousands items isn't reliable to human experience. So we can create collections of posts in the rooms, and also I can create some topics or something like in the chat. So everyone can create inside the room a new topic. So like weather. Yeah, let's talk about weather. Sun is shining. Yeah, so here is the message, and if I'm in the same room, I go to the weather, and sun is shining for this user too, and it shines through. So basic things work, and I hope you see the opportunities for this application that is maybe hosted from any place like Skynet, and also may connect to any of these relays that we may collectively, voluntarily share and use for our applications. I'm pretty excited with this. Hope you too. See you next time. Bye.